EQ techniques for vocal separation, scene-by-scene breakdown. Introduction. Welcome to today's video presentation on EQ techniques for vocal separation. In this video, we'll guide you through a scene-by-scene breakdown of how to effectively EQ vocals and achieve optimal separation in your audio mix. Let's dive right in. Preparing for EQ. Before applying any EQ, it's important to ensure your vocals are properly recorded and isolated. This includes using a good microphone, reducing background noise, and eliminating any phase issues. Once you have your clean vocal track, import it into your digital audio workstation (DAW), and let's get started with the EQ process. Low-cut filter. The first step in vocal EQ is to apply a low-cut filter. This helps remove unwanted low-frequency rumble and noise. Start by identifying the lowest frequency that adds no value to the vocal. Typically, a gentle roll-off around 80 Hz works well for most voices, but adjust this based on your specific recording. Engage the low-cut filter in your EQ plugin and gradually increase the frequency until the unnecessary low end is attenuated. Reducing muddiness. Post. Next, let's address any muddiness or boxiness in the vocals. These frequencies typically lie in the mid-range. Start by sweeping a narrow EQ band across the mid-range frequencies, around 200 Hz to 600 Hz. Listen for any frequencies that sound muddy or congested. Once identified, gently reduce their level to achieve a cleaner, more transparent vocal sound. Enhancing presence. Host. To enhance the presence and clarity of vocals, we'll focus on the higher frequencies. Start by boosting a broad EQ band around 2 kHz to 6 kHz. This brings out the vocal's intelligibility and sparkle. Be cautious not to overdo the boost, as it may introduce harshness or sibilance. Fine-tune the boost to achieve a natural and pleasant sound. Taming harshness and sibilance. Host. Sometimes vocals can exhibit harshness or sibilance, which can be fatiguing to the listener's ears. To address this, we'll use a dynamic EQ or deesser. Set the dynamic EQ or deesser to target the specific frequency range responsible for the harshness or sibilance. Apply gentle reduction whenever those problematic frequencies exceed a certain threshold, maintaining a smooth and balanced vocal performance. Final touches. Post. In the final stage of vocal EQ, it's crucial to make subtle adjustments to maintain balance within the mix. Take a moment to listen to your vocal track alongside the other elements in your project, such as instruments and backing vocals. Make any necessary tweaks to the EQ settings to ensure the vocals sit well within the overall mix without overpowering or being overshadowed. Conclusion. Post, and there you have it. By following this scene-by-scene breakdown, you can effectively EQ vocals and achieve optimal separation in your audio mix. Remember to experiment, trust your ears, and tailor these techniques to suit the specific characteristics of your vocal recordings. Thank you for watching, and happy mixing. Outro. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Also, check out our other videos for more.